Hi friends, this is my first vlog. I hope you will enjoy it. Please subscribe to Little Medha Hanvith. Hogenakkal is 120 kilometers from Bangalore. We cross the Bangalore and we enter the forest road. Wow, see friends, they are beautiful mountains. Daddy, there are so many mountains, I like it.
Yes, Medha, I too love it. Enjoy.
Hey, look at the boat, we are entering in the forest. I hope I see some animals around. Let's hope for the best. I'm excited. Are you excited too? Daddy, look there are so many monkeys. We read the forest check post. My dad is entering the details. All format is done in the check post. See right side, there are beautiful river. There are lots of crocodiles. Please don't enter the river. So finally we reach Hogenakkal parking area. But we are not parking our vehicle here. There is another parking area. That is close to Hogenakkal Falls. But we have to pay 100 rupees extra for that. Finally, we purchased Coracle ride tickets. The ticket price is 1,500 rupees. Hi, cool Hanvith, say hi. Look how beautiful it is. Finally, I boarded the Coracle. Now we are going to enjoy the Coracle ride. Wow, I'm excited to see the waterfall.
Medha. Water. You can touch the water. Hanvith.
The water is so cold, I like it. The boat will stop here. We have to walk half kilometers. Wow, this place is so beautiful. I want to come again and again. I see waterfalls everywhere. I like it. See how the people are enjoying the water. Me, Dad and Hanvith going to the close to the water. My brother Hanvith enjoying a lot. We are going to take photographs at the waterfall. Even if you want to take photographs, don't go closer to waterfall. It's very dangerous. Look at the water flow. It's so high. See how my brother Hanvith is enjoying. It's my turn. Let me enter the water. Again, we want to take photographs here because it's a beautiful place. Now we are going into that waterfall. There are steps to get inside the boat. So let's walk till the down. Again we got into the Coracle. See rocks behind me, they are so beautiful. There's so much sunlight. That is why my mother is protecting Hanvith. He's offering photography, but we have camera. If you want, you can use their service. Now we are going to see the main waterfall. 1, 2, 3, go. See, we are going closer and closer and closer. The water flow is so high. We are getting wet with the water. This is Tamil Nadu and it is Karnataka. We are in middle. And this is Kaveri River.
Hello Medha, why are you so dull?
Because I'm hungry, Daddy.
Not having fun?
If you're feeling hungry, we can buy anything from the boat. Wow, chips packet, biscuits, so many things over here. I love to play with water. See how I'm enjoying? We got into the water. Let's have fun. We are done with waterfall. We are going to Crocodile Park. This is close to Hogenakkal Waterfall. Come on friends, I will show you the crocodile. One crocodile is sleeping in the water and the other one is outside. Now we are going to see some baby crocodiles. Finally, we are going back to Bangalore. This time we are going via Krishnagiri Road because the forest road is not safe. It is 6:30 in the evening. We almost reached Bangalore. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe.